In this video, we are going to talk about how to set up and install Vizio 5.1 Soundbar SE HDMI ARC setup and Subwoofer pairing. Fix 1. Position and place your components. You just have to place the soundbar at the center below the TV for an optimal sound experience. The wireless soundwoofer can be placed anywhere in the room, preferably near the soundbar. The two surround speakers were connected to the soundwoofer. Position one surround speaker on each side behind the listening area. Fix 2. Wired connection. You just have to connect the HDMI EARC cable to the soundbar HDMI EARC port, and then you have to plug the other end of the cable into the TV's HDMI EARC port. Then you have to plug the power cord of the soundbar and the wireless soundwoofer into the electrical outlet. Fix 3. Pairing. The soundwoofer and the surrounded speaker should be connected automatically. A solid light on the back of the device indicates a successful connection. Fix 4. Configure TV audio setting. You just have to turn on your TV, then go to the audio settings. Then there you have to select HDMI ARC or EARC. Set the audio format to the Dolby Digital or Auto if available. Then you have to enable CEC or HDMI or CE in a TV setting for a soundbar control via through the TV remote. Thanks for watching.